Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive along Old Sligo Road in Grange, a quiet rural route that winds through the countryside of Oldham County. Just northeast of Louisville, this area is known for its rolling hills and farmland. Old Sligo Road connects several small communities scattered across the county. While today it serves local traffic and rural homes, roads like this were once essential lifelines for early settlers. Long before modern highways were built, simple dirt and gravel routes connected farms, mills, and river landings across the region. As we travel along this road, the landscape reflects the character of central Kentucky. Fields, wooded areas, and gently rolling hills dominate the scenery. Many farms here have been in the same families for generations, continuing traditions of livestock, crops, and horse breeding that are deeply connected to Kentucky's rural identity. Scenic roads, like Old Sligo Road, remain a reminder of how communities were once connected by winding routes through farmland rather than wide, modern highways. Today, Oldham County is one of the fastest growing counties in Kentucky, with many people choosing to live here while commuting to nearby Louisville. Even with that growth, many rural roads still preserve the quiet atmosphere that has defined the region for generations. Thanks for watching!